If you've been dealing with wrinkly, crepey skin, I've got an amazing product that I'm going to share with you today on the video that can actually help reduce that immediately and improve it over time, giving you amazing skin. And what's even better, it's something you all requested that I review. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to deal with crepey skin with a particular type of product and its formulation that not only helps improve it right away, immediately, and I'm going to show you pictures, I'm going to use it on myself and show you, but it also helps improve this condition over time. The product is Maylee's Bee Glossy Body Serum. And right off, I'll tell you, it's a cruelty-free, preservative-free product, so that is great right there. But what's so really amazing about this product to me is how quickly it improves the look of crepey skin, like immediately, like right away. Like you don't have to wait for your skin to look better. Now you can see my chest in this picture here, and I actually have a little bit of crepiness, which is natural for someone my age, about to be 60 in like 4 or 5 months. Not a lot, but it's there. And I myself really don't ever notice it, except I saw it in this random picture, which just happened to be timely. So I wanted to take this older picture before I started using and testing the product and have it available so we can do a comparison after I apply it to myself. Now, if you're new to my channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been doing skincare for 36 years, helping people to find skincare that will work for them, not empty their wallet, and not do them more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Now, on my channel, it's always about ingredients and their effectiveness over brand name and price. And I have to say, as a skincare formulist, I was really impressed with the formulation of this product. Now, in their words, they use microfluidic technology to infuse the product with a lot of peptides. There are several different kinds of peptides in this product, and over 12,000 drops of meadow foam oil. And why meadow foam oil is important in the formulation is that it is very rich in chain form fatty acids, or omega-3s, which in short means that it's super duper hydrating. That's going to help the peptides, amino acids that are in this product, work better, and it's going to lock in moisture into that crepey area of skin, taking away that textured look and giving your skin a smooth, youthful, glowing appearance. And how meadow foam oil helps in the long term is that it is super rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, helping to relieve oxidative stress from free radicals and to help your skin cells actually repair themselves, giving you better and better looking skin over time. They also included peptides 1 and 7, which helps reduce the look of that crepiness and fine lines and wrinkles. Shea butter, which is actually a rich plant lipid that helps restore your skin's moisture and lipid layer. And of course, hyaluronic acid is in this mixture as well to help pull in moisture and lock it in the skin, giving you long-lasting results as you wear it throughout the day. The other thing I liked about this product is they've done a lot of clinical testing on it, where the participants in a 56-week period saw significant improvement that was actually permanent. Now, if you're interested in checking out this product after I finish the demo, you can go down to the video description box where I'll put a link so you can find it directly, read about it, and decide if this is the right type of product for you. If you do decide to use it, please come back to the channel and let us know in the comments below how it worked out for you. So let's talk about how to use this. The instructions that they give is to use this twice a day for best results. Now, what I've been doing is using it in the morning after cleansing and also in the evening. Now, you can use this anywhere on the body where you have crepey skin. Chest, arms, legs, face, neck, doesn't matter. You treat it like a peptide serum and would always go on after actives like vitamin C serum and or retinol. Now, this product does contain some fragrance. So if you're sensitive to fragrance or have sensitive skin, very important that you do that patch test. All of you, if you've never used this product before, should use a patch test anyway. That's just applying the product and leaving it on and watching your skin for 48 hours to make sure you don't have any reaction to it. Because again, as I always say, much easier to clear that up than to clear it off other parts of the body like your face and neck. All right, and so because we looked at my chest, that's where I'm going to apply the product today. Just a few pumps. You can see the texture of it. It's a gel, and you can see the microfluid technology in there, the little beads of meadow foam oil, tons of them. We're just going to take this and we're going to pat it in to the area on my chest. Just kind of lightly swirl it into the skin. No real pressure. It takes just a few minutes for it to absorb. Again, you can use this on your neck. You can use it on your face. Doesn't matter. It's good for any area where you have dry, crepey skin. And I know this question is going to come up when it comes to the eyelids because it has fragrance. You have to be very careful with that. Of course, there are no instructions directly on using it on the eyelids or in their FAQ. I checked, but my guess would be it's probably not a good product for that. You need to continue to use an eye cream formula that's designed for eyelids. Now that this has had a chance to absorb, let's take a closer look at my chest area where I had that crepiness before, and you can see a vast difference in the look of my skin. It's smooth, youthful looking, no crepiness whatsoever, and this will last me all day long, and I'll apply it again tonight before I retire for the evening. So my final word on the Be Glossy Body Smoothing Serum is it is a very well formulated product. It works extremely well. It has worked very well for me, as you can see in the up close and personal shot of my chest. And it's a multitasking product by providing that hydration, all of those peptides, the meadow foam oil, which will help improve your skin's moisture and build up your lipid barrier. And you're going to get 4 ounces of product, which is going to last you quite a while depending on how many areas you're treating. So that makes this product a really good value. Once more, if you decide to use this product, please come back. Let us know how it worked for you. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it out. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, check out this video that's coming up next. Thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel. I really do appreciate you. Stay beautiful. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.